Hello everyone, Lance here. Today I'm making this video to let you know about the new free update for World Blender. So it has been some time since I last updated World Blender because I have been working on other projects for other people. But now that I have some time on my hand, I finally was able to update World Blender with some new features as well as improving the old features that we already have. So the first thing I want to talk about is the new road system. With this update, we now have this road info node that will extract information from the road that was created using the road node. And as you can see, the road node also has some improvement. I'm gonna get into the details of the new road system later in another video, but in this video I'm just gonna show you the new features. So you can find the road info node in the utility info category, and it is right here. And you also have a similar road info node in the utilities of the material nodes right here. And we also have a new mask builder called select road node. This node will create a mask based on your road. Apart from the new road system, we also have some more presets, displacement presets. We have the alpine displacement, we have the fissure guided by a curve and a linear fissure, and the outcrop node. Now this particular landscape was created using this outcrop node. So let me show you the other side of the mountain. So you see on this side we have a bunch of terracing, but on this side everything is just smooth with very little terracing. This is because the outcrop node kind of mimicked the way the continental plate was broken and pushed up from the ground. So this is a piece of the continental plate, and this is the broken side, and it was pushed up from the ground like this. So on this side we have a bunch of layering, but on this side it's all smooth because it's the flat surface above. Now the biggest additional feature of today's update is the new rock nodes. Now these rock nodes have been in the under development category for quite some time, but today these are finally ready to be used for production. So we have the creators, we have this create random rock node and a node to convert an object into a rock object, and we have a bunch of displacement, and we have a few processors. Now these are just the groundwork for the rock creation workflow that I am working on. I'm planning on adding more to the rock nodes later on, but for now you can use these to create quite a large variety of rocks. For example, in this particular scene, I used the rock generators to generate a bunch of pebbles. So you see we have a bunch of pebbles on the road, and it's gonna look like this. It looks very nice, right? But you can actually use the rock generator nodes to generate large rocks as well. For example, look at this rock, the thumbnail of this particular node. This is a very large rock. You can create from large boulders to tiny little grains of sand using these rock nodes. And with this update, I also added a new studio license for World Blender Pro. If you're running a studio with multiple employees who need access to World Blender, you can buy this license instead of the individual license. This license will give unlimited access to World Blender Pro to every artist in your studio, even the janitor. And again, this is a free update, so if you have bought World Blender before, you can go back to wherever you bought World Blender and download the new version. And if you haven't bought World Blender yet, you can buy it on my Gumroad or Superhive Market Store. I'm gonna leave the links in the description. Okay, that's it for today's video. This video is just to let you know about the free update. I'm gonna create more videos in the near future to show you exactly how to use these rock nodes to create your own rock asset, as well as using the new road system to generate your road. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and thank you for buying World Blender. I'll see you in the next video.